I would love to stay here a little longer, but it's time to go. Today, we're traveling about 33 miles. Dead into the wind, as always, I guess. I thought this would be less of that on this trip, but you know what? That's okay. So, we should get there around 2 or 3 p.m. at Montserrat. All right.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where to take it from me. Up on this shore they work all day, and in the sun they sail away, while we keep floating, floating under the sea. Bam, 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 da, 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 da.
All right, on to the kingdom of Redonda. That's that island up ahead.
The fish is happy.
And Montserrat.
It's up to the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. They said go stay in the bowl.
A nice gentle breeze and we're sailing great, not crazy anymore. There's Nevis way in the distance. And the next volcano in the chain is Montserrat up here. Yeah, absolutely fascinating island. Should be a really cool anchorage in there tonight. We're having a good day. All right. We are coming in. So this is how we go about turning on the engine. She's in neutral. Awesome. Nice. Okay, it's at 20. Go down a little. That's good. Beautiful. All right, let's furl her up. It's blinky. All right. So this is how we do the main. your tie. Oh yeah. Takes a little practice to get it that nice. Yeah. I always give myself a hard time with this. Should really just get a longer string. And that is the process. All right, sails furled, motors on, and we're coming in to Montserrat. We are here in Montserrat now, made it, and this place is paradise. Look at how beautiful it is. What? Lovely. Stunning. Okay, so let's go check the anchor together. Like this. Whee! Put my mask on. Oh yeah. Could you just hold my camera actually? I'm gonna move the anchor.
Why don't I unhook it first?
All right.
Film me if you want.
Yeah.
How do you film it?
It's filming.